I'm so excited to be bringing you guys a hair video today. I am going to be coloring my hair using Rosewood Brown from Clairol-Pro's beautiful collection. So I'm really excited because this is the first time I'm going to be adding color to my natural hair color. So that's going to be interesting, and I'm hoping that it's going to add like some sultry red undertones to my hair. So we'll see. Now it is a semi-permanent color, and if you guys have been watching me for a long time, you know that about 2 years back I already colored my hair, but back then my hair was already lightened. So I'm really interested to see how it's going to turn out this time around. The good thing about this product is that it's moisture rich, so it has some good ingredients like vitamin E, jojoba oil, aloe vera gel, so that's definitely a plus. All right, you guys, so I'm just gonna jump right in. I'm not gonna be talking too much. We're just gonna jump right into it. All right, let's go. All right, so as you guys can see, I have my gloves ready. This is the product here, and I'm just testing the color on a napkin before getting started. One thing that I love about this collection is the application process is so smooth, and most importantly, it is moisturizing and gentle to my curls. So first I'm going to start by pouring the color into my hands and massaging it into my hair. And as you guys can see, I'm starting at the back and working my way to the front. I'm really working the color into my hair and making sure that I don't miss any spots. So now I'm gonna rinse out my hair with cool water and then dry it off, style it, and then I'll show you guys the finished results. Alright you guys, so as you can see, this is the after shot. The color is definitely showing up depending on how the light hits it, but you can definitely see it as I turn. I feel like it added some richness to my hair color, and it gives me like a hint of red. This collection also leaves my hair feeling super soft and shiny, which I'm definitely happy about. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out.